Hey all, Lance Finucci at MarineMax, Gulf Shores, Alabama. Christmas season is approaching and this would be the perfect gift. The Boston Whaler 270 Vantage. Dual console boat with 9-foot beam, 28 feet long, and twin 250 Mercuries on the back. Let's climb in, take a look at some of the features of the boat. For over 60 years, Boston Whaler has been at the top of the boating industry, and this 270 Vantage is no exception. What I want to do first is just move up to the helm, show you a little bit of what's going on up there. As you can see, we have the Raymarine 12-inch chart plotter GPS fish finder, Raymarine VHF, all the Mercury switches, stainless steel wheel with the soft touch grip. Moving to the passenger side, a fully convertible and reclinable passenger seat with a well-equipped head inside. Let's take a look there. Plenty of space for even some of the tallest people to move around. Looking back towards the transom of the boat, we do have the refrigerator. Under there, there's a grill with the sink with fresh water. Transom seat is fully convertible. It will go flat against the back wall, so when you do want to fish off the back of the boat, there's plenty of space. Taking a look at the bow of the boat, tons of seating for all of your friends. Grab rails right where they need to be. Windlass anchor up front with another freshwater washdown to clean off the anchor or to clean anybody that happens to jump into the Gulf. So stop by MarineMax Gulf Shores and take a look at our Boston Whaler 270 Vantage. It's Christmas time and here's the perfect gift. See you soon.